Hi guys, my name is Isaac Kibet and welcome to my house tour. And today we're going to talk about my house, my one bedroom house. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it. So ukiingia tu kwa nyumba, this is what you see. This is my couch, my 3-seater couch. I love Chesterfield. My small table. This is where I eat. My little snack bar. Snack table. This is my workstation. This is where I normally edit my videos. I work here. Yeah. And this is my entertainment, my TV, my soundbar. Yeah, that's just basically the living room. I have high ceiling. I actually live on the ground floor. It's a very nice place. It's a one bedroom. This is a corridor straight towards the sink. This is the kitchen. Yeah, it's a small dispenser. This is my maker. I love this cooker. My microwave. My yesterday's food. I just did the dishes, so everything is clean. Yeah, I have a small balcony despite living the ground floor. Yeah. Okay. Back to the living room. I just noticed recently that I have many shoes. I think I need a shoe rack. This is my makeshift shoe rack. So don't mind how it looks. This is where I refresh myself in the morning before I go to work. That's me. Yeah, this is my toothpaste holder. This is my washroom. It's actually a big washroom. Bathroom and toilet. Yeah. And this is my bedroom. Not actually, it's a big bedroom. Don't mind the bed and my wardrobe. Yeah, so that's it. Nyumba yangu ni kadogo, so don't mind. House tour imeisha. Hivyo tu. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to watch more.